In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to actually add Stripe to Shopify. So Shopify no longer directly supports Stripe as a payment in many regions because of Shopify Payments, which is actually powered by Stripe. So you'll need to follow the specific steps depending on whether Shopify Payments is available in your country. So first, check if Shopify Payments is available in your country. Go to Shopify's official payment page to see Shopify's payment and if it's available in your region. Then, if the Shopify payment is available, you must use it instead of connecting Stripe directly. If Shopify payment is not available, you can manually connect Stripe as a third-party payment provider. So log into your Shopify admin panel, open Shopify, log into your store. On the left sidebar, click Settings and then Payments. Then add Stripe for countries without Shopify Payments. So if Shopify Payments is not available, follow these steps to add Stripe manually. In Payment section, scroll down to third-party providers. Click Choose a Provider. Search for Stripe in that list. Click on Stripe and then select Activate to start the setup process. You'll then need to log into your Stripe account. If you don't have one, you'll just have to create one. Then you want to allow Shopify to connect with Stripe and then follow the verification steps. Once you're connected, save your settings and ensure Stripe is enabled for checkout. Then you want to test these payments. So go to your store, add a product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and see if Stripe appears as a payment option. You can also enable test mode in Stripe to simulate payments before going live. Then you'll just need to customize your payment settings. So adjust currency, payment methods, payout schedules, and Stripe settings. Also, I'd recommend enabling fraud protection and two-step verification for extra security. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. But for now, goodbye.